Good evening. Greetings from Mumbai and a very warm welcome to each one of you. We are going to meditate. So to prepare yourself for meditation, take a comfortable posture and limb by limb start becoming aware of your body. तो बारी बारी से अपने सभी अंगों में अपनी चेतना को ले जाएं और पूरे शरीर में नीचे से ऊपर तक अपनी चेतना को पहुंचने दें. So allow your awareness to travel from the toes of your feet to the top of the head. See how the body is settling in a comfortable state. Just be aware of your spine. Feel that the spine is moving upwards towards the ceiling and you are getting taller. When we sit upright, we are more alert and aware. जब रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधी होती है सहज रूप से, तो हम बहुत ही जागृत और जागरूक रहते हैं. ऐसी स्थिति में नींद नहीं आ सकती, तंद्रा में नहीं जा सकती. शरीर को व्यवस्थित करने के बाद अपनी चेतना श्वास प्रश्वास पर ले जाएं. So just give your awareness to the breath. See how when the body is very comfortable, the body intelligence takes over the function of the breath. And the breath is so wonderful, so relaxed, even and rhythmic. We do not have to make any effort to breathe. The body is breathing all by itself. You have to simply witness the body breathing. जब शरीर बहुत सुखपूर्वक रहता है तो जो हमारे शरीर की अपनी समझ है उसके हिसाब से श्वास प्रश्वास चलती है। हमें अपना कोई प्रयास नहीं करना पड़ता। श्वास अंदर आती है और प्रश्वास बाहर जाती है और हम बहुत सहजता से उसको देख पाते हैं। See the play of the breath in the area of your chest, through the lungs and the rib cage, and also see the play of the breath in the movement of the abdomen, going forward with the in-breath and then pulling itself back with the out-breath. It is said that this universe is the Leela, the play of God. And God is simply watching what is happening. In the same way, you just watch the play of the breath in the area of the chest and in the abdomen. This play is happening all the time, but we never see it. We never notice it because we do not give attention. We are so much involved in the outside world and in the mind that we don't even know that we are breathing. जैसे ईश्वर अपनी लीला को देखते हैं, निर्विकार भाव से, वैसे ही आप अपने श्वास प्रश्वास को और उसकी लीला को देखें। छाती में, पेट में, ये लीला देखना भी अपने आप में सुखदायी है। लेकिन हम साधारणतया बाहर की दुनिया में इतने व्यस्त हैं कि हम ये भी भूल जाते हैं कि हम श्वास ले रहे हैं और प्रश्वास छोड़ रहे हैं। श्वास प्रश्वास को देखते देखते पता चलता है कि श्वास प्रश्वास एक तरह का सेतु है शरीर और मन के बीच में। जब श्वास प्रश्वास सहज होती है, शांत होती है, तो मन भी शांत हो जाता है। इसे महसूस करें। When we watch the breath very keenly, we realize that the breath is the bridge between the body and the mind. And as the breath becomes slow and steady, the mind also slows down. It does not want to run around. It does not want to travel outside. Instead, it focuses within. Just let this internalization of the mind happen. Allow the mind to turn within. And see how this process has been aided and engineered by the breath. मन किस तरह से अंतर्मुखी हो रहा है, बाहर जाना नहीं चाहता, उसको महसूस करते रहें। We think we are going to meditate, and we have to do something for it. The fact of the matter is that meditation is our own nature. We do not have to do anything to find it. Instead, we have to draw what we normally do. And the light of meditation begins to shine and illumine our life. हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा है, पढ़ा है कि ध्यान करना चाहिए, और हम जानना चाहते हैं कि इसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए। वास्तविकता यह है कि ध्यान हमारी स्वाभाविक या नैसर्गिक स्थिति है। हमारा स्वभाव है, स्वभाव। और उसे पाने के लिए हम जो कुछ करते आए हैं, शरीर से, इंद्रियों से, मन से, उसको बस छोड़ देना है। ध्यान तो अपने आप अंदर है, वह प्रकट हो जाएगा। हम जो कर रहे हैं उसमें न कुछ छोड़ना है न कुछ पकड़ना है। छोड़ और पकड़ से दूर जो हो रहा है वो होने देना है। So what we are doing is simple. We are neither chasing anything nor are we trying to resist anything. We are keeping ourselves out of the way. Allowing what is happening to happen on its own. And there is awareness of what is happening. Breath is coming in, going out. Chest is expanding and deflating. The rib cage is expanding and deflating. The abdomen moves out with the in-breath and gets pulled back with the out-breath. One is only the silent witness. And this witness is not entirely neutral. It is not. Without power. It is a presence, a pulsating presence. Which is like buzzing energy. And this energy cannot be isolated and identified with a particular part of the body. Wherever we look, the energy is present. जो कुछ हो रहा है हम उसके दृष्टा हैं, लेकिन ये दृष्टा कोई नपुंसक नहीं है, मरा हुआ नहीं है। ये शक्तिमान है, ऊर्जा से भरा हुआ है। और कैसी ऊर्जा है? एकदम स्पंदित ऊर्जा। ये कहाँ पर है? शरीर के किस अंग में है? हम ये निर्धारित नहीं कर सकते। जिधर देखते हैं उधर ही है। हाथों में, पैरों में, छाती में, पेट में, कंधों में, हथेलियों में, तलवों में, माथे में, गालों में, आँखों में, सर्वत्र है। This energy can be experienced anywhere and everywhere. In the soles of the feet, in the palms of the hands, in the biceps and triceps, in the knees, in the chest, in the abdomen. There is no area of the body where this pulsating energy is not there. You can feel it in your eyes. In your Ajna Chakra. Wherever you focus, you find the same energy. Feel the breath. And try and hear what the breath is saying to you. The experience of the breath is Soham. This is the mantra we receive from God at the time of our birth. Soham. अपनी श्वास को देखें। श्वास आपके शरीर में, आपके कानों में क्या बोलती है? वो कह रही है सोहम। ये वो मंत्र है जो आपको जन्म के समय ईश्वर से मिला। Experience the breath whispering into your consciousness. Soham, Soham, Soham. The meaning of Soham is you are that. What does it hold for you? The mantra is telling you you are not your body, you are not your senses, you are not your mind. You are that, the Supreme Self, God, the Father of this creation. Just sit in the experience of Soham. मन ही मन अपने श्वास प्रश्वास को सोहम कहते हुए महसूस करें। इसका अर्थ है कि मैं वो हूँ इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका मतलब है कि आप शरीर नहीं हो, अपनी इंद्रियां नहीं हो, मन नहीं हो, आप वो हो जो परमपिता परमात्मा है, सुप्रीम सेल्फ है। तो जब कोई विचार उठे और आप को लगे कि आप किसी चीज में फंस रहे हैं, वो आपका शरीर हो सकता है, इंद्रियां हो सकती हैं, मन हो सकता है, विचार हो सकता है। तब श्वास ने जो मंत्र दिया है सोहम, उसे याद करें कि मैं अपना शरीर नहीं हूँ, मैं अपने विचार नहीं हूँ, मैं अपनी भावनाएं नहीं हूँ, मैं वो हूँ जो इन सब से अलग है, सबका स्वामी है। So just be in the awareness of the mantra Soham. So if you notice that the mind has become active and you are getting involved with your body or your senses or your mind, refresh the awareness of Soham. Know what your breath is telling you. You are not this body, so why be bothered about the body? You are not your senses, So why run after the senses or be driven by the senses? Let them rest. Let them do whatever they want. You are not your mind, not your thoughts. So when thoughts arise and you notice you are thinking, bring up the awareness of Soham. I am not my thoughts, I am that. And the thoughts will disappear. Rest in the awareness of Soham. 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 We are going to end this meditation by chanting Om 3 times. So take a deep breath and chant Om on the out breath. You can bring your palms together. You rub your palms together. Cover your eyes with your palms. Feel the energy in the form of heat rushing from the palms into your being. Experience how the muscles around the eyes and behind the eyes. Enjoy this rush of energy. Keep breathing. And when you are done, you can caress your face very, very gently. Bring your hands in your lap. And very, very gently open your eyes. बिना कुछ किए ध्यान कैसे होता है, ये हम लोगों ने देखा. We just experienced how we can enter the meditative state by being just us, without doing anything in particular. So how did it feel? वत्सला जी, कैसा लगा आपको?
Peace.
Peace.
At peace. Very quiet. Nothing to say.
Nothing to say. Yes. That says everything. That is there to say.
I don't feel like talking to.
It's all right. Anybody else? आसान था, मुश्किल था, कैसा लगा? Sunita? Yes, go ahead.
I feel complete, like
Complete, yes.
complete. I know that is the word which struck me just now.
Good. So when you are complete, you don't have nothing to say. This is what Vatsala said. No?
Yeah.
You like saying anything. हाँ श्वेता, कैसा लगा? इतने लोगों के बीच में आप ही हमारे यहाँ योगिनी हैं, नीचे बैठकर सब करती हैं जमीन पे. बाकी सब मतलब शिल्पी को या इनको छोड़ करके कुछ लोगों को, सब तो नहीं, ज्यादा लोग सीनियर सिटीजन्स नहीं है. मैं, वत्सला और द ग्रैंड ओल्ड लेडी लीला, हम 3 लोग सीनियर हैं, बाकी आप सब लोग तो दे. कैसा लगा श्वेता? कैन यू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड टॉक?
Namaskar, sir. Good evening
Good.
to everyone. So, I'm pretty sure that I was dozing because मेरा बॉडी ऐसे हिल रहा था. 2-4 बार तो हुआ ऐसे. Then मैं संभल जाती थी अपने आप ही. I have this understanding कि random thoughts आ रहे थे. And I knew कि ओह, ये मैं क्या सोच रही हूँ, छोड़ दो. Back to Soham. Back to Soham. बस.
That is the training. Yeah.
हाँ, वही है कि I am work in progress.
No, we are all work in progress, because someday it will be very nice and someday the thoughts are going to come. So each one of us is work in progress only. But that is fine. See, the only thing is that you were not disturbed by those thoughts.
Right.
Uh,
Yes.
So
I will
normally,
come back.
when the mind is very strong, then it will send thoughts which can really take you or make you run along. They drag you along. But that was not there because the energy was very profound. I can. Leela
Sir,
ji, you wanted to say
sir,
something?
yeah, I
Uh,
felt a great silence. I
Sai.
very, very quiet, and finally, I felt. I think I was going into. I felt sleepy, but I didn't sleep. I was quite awake.
That is the
That
beauty.
sort of thing, but it was very peaceful and very, very quiet.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Actually, we can all draw some inspiration from Leela ji. Uh, she and Vatsala are sisters. Vatsala used to be my colleague. Leela ji is her elder sister. And she is so much interested in spirituality. She does so much. It is really amazing. We can all learn something from her.
So I'm in the kindergarten, lower KG,
No, 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 no.
Alan
Not that.
LKG.
Not that. So, Sneha, you want to say something?
Just very, very thankful. Very, very thankful. टाइम का पता ही नहीं चला, बिल्कुल नहीं पता चला. It just felt like few minutes actually.
Uh,
And yeah, even I felt in the middle that did I sleep or what? But I was hearing everything that you were saying. But for a moment I felt, oh, did I sleep? Yeah. And as Shweta ji said, the thoughts were coming randomly. But there was a point where there were no thoughts. There, I was listening to what you were saying. I don't know what I was doing actually. Yeah.
that is fine. You were with yourself.
Yeah, I mean, I
And
was following what you were saying at the same time, but there was a point, sir, definitely, where everything was blank and total.
yes, Shilpi ji, you have to say something or should we close?
ओके सो एक एक्सपीरियंस है कि मेरे फादर 6 years back I lost him after elective bypass surgery on the 4th day in ICU in escorts, so best of doctors and everything. There's another story, so it's still traumatic. Today is his birthday,
Mm-hmm.
so I was trying to connect with him in my mind, and यू वर सेइंग एंड एक स्पॉट आया जहां पर मैंने उन पापा को से कनेक्ट किया और उसी टाइम मेरे जो चेस्ट पोर्शन है उसमें एकदम एनर्जी आई और आई फेल्ट द कनेक्शन, सो दैट वाज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल.
Another thing is that the sadness or anything that you are carrying in your heart about losing your father, maybe you were very attached, that got cleared. So thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you. And if possible, you can do the Kriya either on your own because most of you have done it so many times. You know the steps and you can do this. Or else you can use any video. So thank you and bye bye and see you later.